Hello, welcome to Barnes Consulting. Let's begin with a quick introduction to Excel. Excel is the world's most widely used spreadsheet. It is versatile in performing numeric calculations and also useful for non-numeric applications. It is of great use for number crunching, creating charts and diagrams, organizing lists, assessing external data, automating complex tasks, creating graphical dashboards, and much more. From the Start button, when we select all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, by default Excel creates a workbook named Book 1. Each workbook comprises of worksheets. For those new to Excel, let's visit the various elements and make you familiar with Excel. Here, at the top, you can see the title bar. Title bar displays the name of application, that is MS Excel, and name of workbook, that is Book 1. We can open multiple workbooks simultaneously. On the right hand side, you see three buttons: Minimize, Maximize, Close. Interestingly, we see similar three buttons below it. Here, it is important to understand that the set on the top are for application and the one below are for window. On clicking the window close button, the current workbook will close and the application, that is Excel, will continue to remain open. A very useful button is the help button. If you get stuck, click on it and keep going. Now, let us have a look at the work area. Each worksheet is made of rows identified by row number and the columns identified by the column letter. Do you see a dark bordered cell? It is called the active cell. Active cell is referenced by row number and column number, that is A1 in this case. The name of the active cell shows us the name box. We use Excel to do various calculations. When we write the formula on the active cell, the formula bar shows the formula and the result of the formula is shown on the active cell. Excel handles a huge volume of data. So in order to navigate up and down, we can use the vertical scroll button. And to move right and left, we use the horizontal scroll button. As I mentioned, each workbook can have multiple worksheets. So we can use Insert Worksheet button to add new worksheets. And then to navigate to the various worksheets, we can use the Sheet Scroll tab. An important area of the workbook is the status bar. The status bar provides us information of the keys, whether cap lock, num lock are on or off. If a range of cells are selected, it also shows us the count, sum, average of the relevant range. Not only that, we also have a page view button in the status bar which helps us to get different view of the data: normal, page layout, page break preview. Depending on the volume of data we need to see, we can also use the zoom control to zoom in and out. To help record repetitive tasks, we can use the macro recorder. You are here to learn Excel, as you know that Excel provides a wide variety of operations to perform, and hence a very important part of the Excel workbook is the ribbon. Ribbon is the main location for Excel commands. Clicking an item in the tab list changes the button that gets displayed. Currently, Home tab is active and the most frequently used buttons are displayed. When we click on any other tab, we will get the corresponding group of buttons. There is a wide variety of options that we will use when we work on Excel. Depending on the kind of work we do, there will be certain actions that we will perform frequently. So in order To enhance ease and productivity, Excel provides us the quick access toolbar, where we can customize and place the frequently used buttons right at the top of the toolbar. Now, having got a glimpse of the basic elements, we will talk in more detail in the next session. Thank you.